Check out this Mustang that has just been traded into us. It's a 2006 Ford Mustang GT Premium Coupe. Very nice car in tungsten gray metallic. There's a few modifications that have been done to it as far as exterior or looks wise, just cosmetic. Nothing really as far as drivetrain, engine, anything like that. You can see one of them is that black deck stripe. It is a vinyl stripe. It's not painted on. Gives it kind of that GT look. Still retains the 4.6 liter 3-valve V8 engine underneath the hood. Again, nothing's been modified on the engine or drivetrain. That's paired with an automatic transmission. So you don't have to worry about doing any shifting in this one. Stock GT wheels on it. Again, you can see that the paint's in very nice shape. There's a few scuffs in the black vinyl from a little bit of wear, but nothing real major. And like I said, it is vinyl, so if a guy didn't want that on there, it could be taken off. Or if you wanted it freshened up, easy enough to replace. If you come around here to the back, you get an idea of a couple of the other cosmetic things that have been done to it. Rear window slats or louvers. And then of course the third, or I should say quarter window treatment that has been done to this. A little custom there to give it that 65-66 kind of vent look the Mustangs had. As you can see, it's very nice looking on there. Rear spoiler. Says Roush on the exhaust tips, so you know those are Roush exhaust tips only. Still has the Ford factory exhaust on it. And we'll start it up so you can hear that in a little bit. So nothing obnoxious or nothing crazy has been done with the exhaust either. So again, cosmetic stuff. Exhaust tips, the rear louvers, the rear quarter windows, the vinyl striping. That's really the only things that have been changed. Come take a look at the interior. Pretty much bone stock in here also. This car's got just slightly over 52,000 miles. I believe it's 52,100. Show you something else here if we get to kind of show up in the sun. If you know the door inserts or the door cards on these Mustangs, they really start to pull after time. As you can see, this one is very nice shape, and it's that way on both doors. So that insert isn't starting to separate from the door cards like you see so often, as you can see on that side too. Nicely fastened. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Check the exact miles here in a second. Does have the Shaker 500 stereo system to it. There it is, 52,112. No check engine lights, anything like that. Just a seatbelt light because I didn't throw it on when I got in here. AC blows cold. Just hear the compressor turn on and off. Shaker 500 system. Again, all stock on the inside here too. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble out of the 4.6 liter GT. If you'd like to check out the undersides of this car, there's pictures of the undersides at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and by looking under the car, you can see it has not been driven in inclement weather. Very, very solid, very clean underneath. Again, check out any of the still pictures, engine bay, trunk, underside. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Please feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726 to inquire about this 2006 Mustang GT Premium Coupe.